This is our Hindu-Arabic Indian system of numeration, and counting from right hand, counting from right hand side towards left hand side, right hand side towards left hand side, like this. Okay. So now here this is given periods, and this is our period. These are our periods: crores, lakhs, thousands, ones. So in the ones we are having, in the ones we are having ones, that is 1, then tens, that is 10, then 100, that is 100. Okay. Then what about 1000? In thousands we are having 1000, then 10,000. Then in lakhs we are having lakh, that is 1 lakh. Then next we are having 10 lakhs. Okay. Then we are having in crores, the first is 1 crore, then 10 crores. In your syllabus it is given up to 10 crores right here. Okay. So from the starting, in ones we are having 3 periods, in thousands we are having 2 periods, in lakhs we are having 2 periods, and in crores also we are having 2 periods here. So now how we can count? For example, it is if digit 1 is given, and you know 1 is ones, so you will write here 1, and all other this places are empty. Why? Because only 1 is given. Then if 10 is given, so as I told you in the starting, we are starting from we are writing from right towards left. So 10 is given, so first write 0, then 1, that is tens. Now if 100 is given, so 0, 0, 1. If 1000 is given, so 0, 0, 0, 1. If 10,000 is given, so 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. As you can see, the number of zeros is keep on increasing. Here we are having 1 0, that means only 1 0. In this we are having 2 zeros, then 3 zeros, then 4 zeros. Okay, like that. Then next is sorry, by mistake after 1000 it is given 1 lakh here. Sorry. Okay, sorry for the interruption. So now the 1 we can write here 1 only. Then tens, 10, so 0 and 1. Then 100, that means 0, 0 and 1. So you can see 100 means 1, 0, 0. Then 1000, 0, 0, 0, then 1. Then 10,000, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Then lakh, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, then 1. 1 lakh. Okay. Similarly, for 10 lakh, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. 10 lakh. Okay. Then for crore, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is 1 crore. Then for the last 10 crore, this is our 10 crore. Okay. So like this you have to arrange digits. And as you know about periods, that means already you know about places: 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay. So this is for Hindu-Arabic Indian system of numeration. Then the next thing is that how to insert commas, how to place commas in Indian system. Okay. So in Indian system, how to place commas? For example, if you are having 3, 6, 6, 5, 3, 2, 8. So in the Indian system, from the last we have to start. So the first we have to cross this 3 digits. So first comma that we have to place will be after 3 places. That is ones, tens and 100. Then for Indian system, we have to take 2 steps. Clear? इंडियन सिस्टम, इंडो अरेबिक सिस्टम में कॉमास कैसे इंसर्ट करते हैं? अब बैक से स्टार्ट करते हैं. ओके. देन पहले 3 डिजिट्स को क्रॉस करते हैं, एक कॉमा लगाते हैं. फिर हिंदू अरेबिक सिस्टम में दो दो डिजिट्स के इंटरवल में कॉमास लगाते हैं। जैसे ये पहले यहाँ पे हो गया, फिर ये 1 2 2 डिजिट्स के बाद फिर कॉमा, ठीक है। फॉर एग्जांपल अगर एक नंबर और है यहाँ पे 7 है, तो उसके बाद फिर ये 1 2 एक कॉमा। अब इसको जैसे नंबर्स में लिखना है, तो आप कैसे लिख सकते हैं, 1 10 100 1000 10,000 लाख 10 लाख करोड़। सो 7 करोड़ 36 लाख 65,328 like this you can write in words. Now what are the common errors that we are doing in Indo-Arabic system of numeration? The first one is do not write periods in plural. Do not write periods in plural. Plural means what? Suppose you are having 5493. So 5,493. This is not a correct form. The correct form is 5,493. Okay. So do not write periods in plural form. That means don't add s. The next one is do not use the word and before tens and ones. Before tens and ones. That means if you are having 5,493, so do not read this as 5,493. This is incorrect. 5,493. This is incorrect. Then how to read? The correct form is 5,493. 5,493. Okay. So don't use and there. Then do not put commas when writing the numeral. If we are writing in words, then we are not supposed to use commas. Only commas we can use in number. Okay, in number or numeral, not in numeration. So this is your Indo-Arabic Indian system of numeration. The next is international system of numeration.